How's it going, guys? Sandris Sedis here and welcome back to my kitchen. Cooking channel, I guess. So today I'm gonna show you how to cook the most nutritious, the most anabolic omelette in the world. Okay, maybe not in the world, but you can definitely not get guns like this, you know, eating regular food. So yeah, let me show you guys what you will need. Just to clarify, guys, this is not the ideal and only way how to cook omelette. You can cook your omelette however you like, whatever tastes better for you, but I'm just showing you guys how I like to cook my omelette for maximum gains. So let me show the ingredients. So what you will need is, obviously you need eggs. So we will need 5 large eggs. Also, your favorite cheese. I like to use red cheddar, so that's mostly what I use. So you need that, and it's good if you could grate it, you know. Then probably the most significant ingredient is kefir. You can use milk as well, but I have found that kefir just makes it so much more, you know, how you say, more creamy, you know, that Italian accent, you know. Also you will need some of your favorite sausage. This one is Latvian brand. It's kind of salty, a little bit spicy, but not too much, so I like to use this one. It's really good. You can use, you know, whatever sausage you prefer, salami, bacon, you can use bacon, meat, you know, whatever you like. So, and you will need some salt and black pepper for some flavor. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's start cooking. So just fire up the stove, put it on a medium heat. As you can see, I bought some rubber or plastic spatula, so you don't have to worry about scratching the pan anymore. So basically what you want to do is you want to take your sausage and you just want to dump it in there, you know. And you don't need really to use any oil because you're gonna get a lot of fat from the sausage or bacon as well. So you don't want any extra oil in there, which is very good, very healthy. So now you want to crack your eggs. 5 eggs in a bowl, while the bacon is slowly, or the sausage is slowly cooking, so you don't waste any time. And the last one, and when all the eggs are cracked, you want to add some seasoning, pinch of salt. Not too much, because you know the sausage is salty as well. Your black pepper, just a tad, you know, a little bit. And you want to start whisking it. You can use this stuff, but I prefer good old fork, you know, makes it just much better for me. And just start whisking everything together, making one nice whisked egg. Like that. Now you want to add about a quarter of a cup of kefir. You can use milk, you know, if you like milk, whatever, but kefir makes it just so much more creamier and fluffier, I have found. So get that in. Very good. Keep whisking it. Whisk, 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 whisk. And now you want to dump your cheese in, and I don't know, maybe close to 100 grams. I like my cheese, you know, and it just makes everything better. There we go. And just whisk everything, you know, till one smooth substance. And in the breaks also stir your sausage. You can get more heat on there because you want your pan to be really hot, you know, really hot, because when you dump in the egg, you want that egg to cook instantly. So the bottom layer cooks instantly, and then when you stir the omelette, you fold it and it makes these layers, you know, and that adds to the fluff as well. So that's what you want. So a little bit more heat maybe. The egg is completely done. It's ready to go in. Just need to cook a little bit more the sausage. So the sausage is getting nice and brown now, and about now you want to start, you know, thinking about dumping your eggs in. And this is what I'm gonna do now. Hot pan, eggs in. Make sure to get all that cheese out as much as you can. There we go. And now we wait till the bottom layer is like a little bit more cooked, and then we're gonna start pouring the top layer under the bottom layer. So I'm gonna show you how it's done. So now it's getting a little bit more cooked underneath, and like you can also add like spinach here, like tomatoes, bell peppers, you know, your favorite vegetable. But I just like it plain and simple like this, just some sausage, bit of cheese and egg, you know. It's the best, you know, I have found. So now what you want to do is you want to like try to lift the bottom up like this, and you try to pour the top layer down, so you form these layers underneath, and it gets a lot more fluffier this way. So now it's a little bit more cooked, so you peel off the side, lift it up a little bit, and you just try to pour it to the bottom until the whole omelette is cooked, you know. And then at the end you just flip it over and let the top to cook till the end. It's about to be flipped, so you can just see how like fluffy it is, you know, how much bigger it has got. So now what you want to do is just flip it over and hope it's not burned, because sometimes that can happen as well. So yeah, what I like to do is just split it 4 ways and just flip each quarter. Oh, that's perfect, look at that. Golden brown in the middle, nice and fluffy. There we go. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. And basically the omelette is done. You just have to let it like tighten up a little bit now, and it will be ready. Okay, now the omelette is ready. It's time to serve. Look at this beauty. Oba. no biggie. There we go. Nice and fluffy omelette. And also, obviously, you clean up your stove a little bit. Gotta keep it clean. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Creamy, fluffy, cheesy omelette. So let's try it, guys. I mean, look at that. Obviously you can use your favorite mayo with this. It looks great, you know. And let's have a bite. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Creamy, fluffy. Rich. You can taste that cheese, that sausage, like, and you can't even taste the kefir, you know, the sourness of kefir, maybe a little bit, but but you know, I like that a little bit, like, I don't know how to say, almost spicy taste to it, you know. Very cool, very good recipe, you know. I don't know, it's probably like over 1,000 calories, you know, close to 100 grams of protein probably in this. So if you want champion's breakfast, you know, breakfast for big guns, you know, this is one of the best you can make. So hope you enjoyed the recipe, hope you enjoyed the video, guys, and I will see you probably very soon, guys. Take care.